The big screen show is your classic furnace experience, but with added visuals that sync up with the music and make the hits bigger.
Sing it!
There's a difference between just having music and having a full-blown spectacle. We've always found that with the visuals, the crowd is much more likely to jump on board. They know exactly what they should be singing, when they should be singing. The visual show is actually highly scalable. You can go from a very small room to a very large room. If you already have a screen set up at your event, we can connect to that and make use of it for our show. Not only are you getting the furnace experience, but you're also getting visuals that engage and add on top of that. It's the next step up. We'll have better with pictures.